In this video, I will show you how to fix if you're getting the 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome in 2024. So let's jump straight into it. So if you are trying to use Google Chrome and you're getting an error message like this, then there's a few fixes you can try to resolve this problem. So the first method, what you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner to your search box, and what you want to do is just go ahead and type command prompt into here. Then underneath best match, what you want to do is right click and run this as an administrator. So what it's going to do is open up a window like this, and you want to put the following into the command prompt. So the first is ipconfig, then a space and then a /, and then you want to put flush DNS. Then go ahead and press enter, and as you can see it's going to come out with a message saying successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Next, what you want to do is put this command, which is net sh space winsock space reset. Then go ahead and again press enter, and it should now say successfully reset the WinSock catalog. Now you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So at this point, what you can do is just type exit and press enter to come out of the command prompt. Then what you want to do is just go ahead, restart your computer and see if that resolves the problem. So if you did try that and that did not work for you, there is also something you can try. So from your desktop, again, what you're going to want to do is come down to your search box in the bottom left hand corner, and this time you want to go ahead and type control panel. So next, go ahead and open up control panel underneath best match, and what should happen, it should be shown like this. If it's not, come up to where it says view by and make sure this is selected to category. What you want to do now is click onto network and internet, so you can see that option here, and then you want to click onto network and sharing center. So from here it's going to show your current internet connection. What you want to do is next to connections you should see your active connection for your internet. You just want to click onto this, and that's going to open up a window like this. And then from here, if you come down to the bottom, you want to click onto properties, which is going to bring up another window, and from this list you want to locate Internet Protocol version 4, which is just here. Once you've located that, if you look underneath, again you want to click onto properties. Now normally on here it should be set to obtain DNS server address automatically, so what you want to do is come down and click where it says use the following DNS server addresses. Now what you want to do is put in the preferred DNS server the following, which is 8 8 8 8. And in the alternative DNS server, you want to put 8 8 4 4. Once that's done, go ahead and press OK, and what you can do is just close these windows down and restart your PC. So after doing that, you should now be able to use Google Chrome without the error 403. If you are still experiencing the problem, then it could just be a problem with your current internet service provider. So it might be worth checking with them to see if they've got any problems on their end, because one of these methods should fix it. So if it doesn't, it's more than likely going to be a problem with your internet service provider. So you want to make sure you check with them and find out what's going on, if they're performing maintenance, and how long the downtime is going to be for the internet. So that's how to go ahead and fix the 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome in 2024. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial. And if this did help you out today, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.